Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into two powerful Hybrid Pro features. Custom Proxy for automation security and source tracking to analyze your performance. If you want to optimize your Instagram automation, stay tuned. Custom Proxy feature. What is Custom Proxy? This feature allows you to add your own proxy for specific automation actions. Follow, unfollow DMs. Post likes, comments. Why use a proxy? A proxy helps mask your IP to prevent Instagram from detecting multiple accounts running from the same device. Using different proxies reduces the risk of blocks or bans when scaling your automation. How to add a custom proxy. 1. Enter your HTTP or SOC S5 proxy in the provided field. You can see available formats on related sections. 2. Once added, the proxy will be used only for like, follow, unfollow, comment, and DM actions. Pro tip: use dedicated or residential proxies for better security and stability. Source tracking feature. What is source tracking? This feature tracks where your new followers and likes are coming from. It helps analyze the effectiveness of your targeting strategies. How it works enabled by default. Stores data for up to 30 days. You can track only new followers by selecting the checkbox. Option to flush counters for likes and follows when needed. Why use source tracking? Improves targeting strategy. Identify which actions bring real engagement. Data-driven decisions. Adjust your automation based on actual results. Monitor performance. See what's working and what needs improvement. Pro tip: combine source tracking with Hybrid Pro's targeting options to maximize efficiency. Final thoughts. Custom Proxy helps protect your automation. Source tracking helps you analyze performance. Use both features together for a safer and more efficient growth strategy. Now it's your turn. Have you used proxies in Hybrid Pro? How do you track your growth? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Hybrid Pro tutorials.